I'm amazing. The way these people would tell it, I am absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Christian. I'd simply like to say, it's about time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time. It's about space. It's about a lot of people in the strangest of places. From the rolling hills of plains of North America to the mountains of Appalachia. From the desert beauty of Navajo Diné Nation to the gritty streets of Los Angeles. And the sound stages of Hollywood, where wearing motion picture wardrobe, it's been a wild and wonderful ride. And I'm really proud to be here tonight as the first indigenous Native American to receive an Academy Award.